Welcome friend, welcome to our channel Quality Guru. Friend, today topic is type of regulatory inspection. Definition of inspections. Inspection is a formal evaluation of company operation, facility and process to ensure compliance with regulatory standard like CGMP, verifying product or quality, safety and efficacy for public health. Inspection can be conducted by regulatory bodies such as FDA or internally by company itself, that is called self inspection. They examine various aspects including manufacturing process, equipment, QC, documentation and personal training. You can say the six quality system. Purpose of inspection: verifying compliance, ensure product safety, protect public health, identify area for improvement. Verifying compliance to ensure pharmaceutical companies adhere to all legal and regulatory requirements including CGMP, ensure product safety and compliance to confirm our drug are safe, effective and high quality before reaching our consumers, protect public health to prevent the distribution of contaminated or defective product that could harm our public health, identify area for improvement to uncover potential issues or vulnerability within the company quality system that need correction. Key aspect examined during inspection: facility and equipment, manufacturing facility, quality control, documentation, personnel, visual inspections. With respect to key facility and equipment, inspector assess the cleanliness, maintenance and sustainability of the physical environment and the manufacturing equipment. With respect to manufacturing process, our regulators meticulously evaluated consistency and control. With respect to QC, our regulators evaluate procedure for testing, data integrity and the effectiveness of QC system are rigorously examined. Documentation: essential documentation such as SOPs, batch record and quality system documents are reviewed. Personnel: the qualification, training and the competency of staff involved in manufacturing are verified. Visual inspection: a critical process to detect particulate contamination, foreign particles and other defect in the drug product. Type of FDA inspection: the FDA conduct several type of inspection to help provide access to needed medical product and to protect consumers and the patients from unsafe product. Surveillance inspection: surveillance inspection are conducted to monitor the manufacturing process and the quality of FDA regulated product on market. The agency uses inspection to evaluate whether a manufacturer is complying with quality manufacturing practices. For cause inspection: for cause inspections are triggered when the agencies has reason to believe that a facility has quality problem, to follow up on complaint or to evaluate correction that have been made to address previous violation. Application based inspection: application based inspections are conducted review by the agency. These inspections are part of application review process to market a new drug, device or biologics to determine whether the new drug is manufactured in the compliance and FDA regulations and to ensure the facility is capable of manufacturing the product consistently and the submitted data are accurate and complete. Follow-up inspections: follow-up inspections are conducted to verify compliance and or corrective actions in wake up of previous violative inspections, violative samples or following official agency actions, say for example warning letter or enforcement actions. Inspection classification: there are three classifications. No action indicated NAI, which means no objectionable condition or practices were found during the inspection. Voluntary action indicated VAI, which means objectionable condition or practices were found but the agency is not prepared to take or recommend any administrative or regulatory action. Official action indicated, that is OAI, which means regulatory and or administrative actions are recommended. type of FDA form in pharmaceutical. The type of FDA form in pharmaceutical industry primarily fall in two categories. Number one, application form for new drug approvals such as IND, NDA, ANDA, BLA. And the second one is inspection related forms such as FDA form 483, FDA form 484, form 3500 series, and used to compliance and safety reporting. The specific form depend on the stage of drug life cycle from clinical trial to post-marketing surveillance and manufacturing inspection. FDA application form. These forms are submitted to FDA to gain approval to develop and market a drug or biologic. Investigation new drug application, that is IND, used to request FDA approval to begin clinical trial on a new drug. New drug application, NDA, submitted to market a new drug containing comprehensive information on the drug safety and effectiveness. Abbreviated new drug application, that is ANDA, for generic drug seeking approval based on an existing brand name drug. Biologics license application, that is BLA, for new biological products like vaccines and gene therapies. MedWatch forms 3500, 3500A, 3500B, used for mandatory or voluntary reporting of adverse event and safety issues with medical products. FDA inspection and compliance form. These forms are used during FDA inspection of manufacturing facilities and to address compliance issues. FDA form 483, issued to the company at the conclusion of an inspection to document any observed deviation from FDA regulation. FDA form 484, a receipt provided to a facility when FDA inspector takes a sample of a product during an inspection. FDA form 482, that is a notice of inspection presented by investigator upon arrival at a facility. FDA form 463, that is an affidavit of raw material receipt and use. Electronic submission, ECTD, the standard electronic format used for submitting applications like NDAs, ANDAs, INDs and BLAs. FDA tools and action. FDA uses a robust set of tools to promote prompt voluntary compliance and CGMP requirement and to protect patients and consumer from poor quality drugs. This gives the facility an opportunity to take voluntary corrective actions and work towards sustainable compliance. See, for example, FDA issuing a warning letter to a facility to notify a firm of federal law violation and recommended a facility allocate appropriate resources to fully correct the violation and prevent their reoccurrence. Issuing an untitled letter for CGMP related issues, recommending or requesting a drug recall, placing a company on import alert to help stop the drug from entering into the US market. The agency may take additional action brought in federal court by the Department of Justice on behalf of FDA if a facility failed to address CGMP violations such as injunctions, including consent decree, which can shut down a facility until it complies with CGMP requirement, seizure of violated drugs in the domestic supply chain from a company or warehouse, criminal prosecutions. Thank you, friends. Thank you and keep watching and give us a positive support always.